So I had to bring my son to the doctor this morning, and I think sometimes as parents we kind of take that for granted that when our kids are sick, we bring them to the doctor, we tell the doctor what's going on, we consent to that treatment, and we're calling the shots because minors can't do that for themselves. Obviously, my son's 2 years and 4 months old. He's obviously not telling the doctor what's going on with him. So it made me think a lot of people don't realize you lose that ability as a parent when your child turns 18 to make those decisions or even have any communication with the child's doctor. So if something happens to your son or daughter when they're 18, maybe they're away at college, maybe they're on a road trip, that sort of thing, you cannot coordinate their care without something more. So generally what I'm speaking about is healthcare powers of attorney and HIPAA authorizations. So even if you're in the room with your child, to say if they're 18 and they need surgery for an ACL repair or something like that, you don't get to make that decision, and sometimes you'll be asked to leave the room unless your son or daughter has filled out the requisite forms for that. So if you're a parent and you want to still have some say, and obviously some children need some direction in medical decision making, you need to follow those formalities and get those sorts of documents in place for your kids. That is generally part of estate planning. It's just that 18-year-olds generally don't think to do that. So get those things in place ahead of time, and it'll save a lot of money, a lot of hassle, especially if there's a situation where the child is in a horrible accident. You may need to have a guardianship proceeding instituted in order to make those decisions for them. So if you plan ahead, it takes care of a lot of things.